Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Great car, guys. Bought this from a gentleman off the East Coast. He actually met me at a Mopar show. So I took a lot of heat because I drove this car around a Mopar show for 2 days. But I'll tell you one thing, great car. I had this thing on the expressway at 80 miles an hour. Again, I drove it for 2 days in 90-degree heat. Great car. Runs and drives outstanding. This is the factory color combination. It's cranberry red with the black Super Sport stripes. It's got, I think it's got most of the original factory black vinyl interior in it as well. Good looking car. Love the BFGs all the way around it with the flat caps and the rally wheels. It's got the flapper hood. It's functional with the hood pins. Pretty recent body up restoration. I saw a couple little stone pecks. I'm not real sure what that is. We'll check into that, guys. It's got a little crack there in here. Something must have tapped that there. But again, a little stone peck. I didn't see much to really nitpick. There's a few little things. But very good car, man. Nice and tight. Shifts out great. Had it in traffic. And I asked him. I mean, I said, I'm going to drive this car for a couple of days. I know it's hot. You know, do I have to worry about it? He said, man, you can get in this thing and drive it back to Michigan. He said, this is a great car. And this thing just drove outstanding. Slick paint. Really looks good. And yeah, boy, did I take some heat with the Mopar boys. But I will tell you, a couple of them ran over to the car and said, hey, I like a 70 Chevelle just as much as anything, so throwing a couple guys under the bus there. Good car though, man. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. It's got 255/60s on the rear. See, it's got the cowbell tips. Love the flat caps and the rallies, man. I think they look great on this car. All right, so this is it. He said it's a crate motor. I know it's got a 390 sticker on it, but he said this is actually a crate engine. It's 454, and it's supposed to be 4.25 horse crate engine. It's supposed to have LS6 rectangular port heads on it. You can see it's got the Winners. That's an aluminum intake that they painted engine color. Holley 4-barrel, dual feed, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It is a Muncie M22 rock crusher 4-speed trans. And a good, I think this is the original paint in here, guys. Car's only got like 80-some thousand miles on it. Chrome valve covers, correct air cleaner. Again, it does have the functional hood on it. HEI distributor. And again, it just drove great, man. Straight down the highway, shifts out good. Not a big monster gear. It's a stock 331. They put traction bars on the rear. This is the original mirror. It's a remote mirror. You kind of pick at it a little bit. You can see some aging on it. Door handles look like they've replaced those. Looks like new door rubbers and stuff. So it's not a monster gear. Oh, they put traction bars on it. Man, this thing drives great. Power windows, they do work. Again, I think this is most of the original interior still in this car. First factory bucket seats, center console. It's got the correct SS steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the original seat belts still in it. That headliner's original. You can pick it at. You see that little spot over there in the corner. Steering wheel's really nice. I don't really see any cracks in it. 82.621. Tach works. All the gauges work. Yeah, the clock worked. AM/FM radio works. Blower motor works. They've got an oil pressure gauge mounted underneath. He didn't know the mileage on the engine, but it's, you know, not supposed to have a ton of miles on it. Brand new dual exhaust, brand new fuel tank. Again, it is correct CCF 12 bolt 331 rear axle, limited slip, and it does have the box control arms and the rear sway bar for the F41 suspension, and then they have added the traction bars. And like I say, nice and tight going down the road. Really drove out good. Clean underneath. You'll see from the pictures the floors are nice. See, they've replaced the fuel tank. Nitpick the door pads a little bit, you know. If you look at them, you see they're kind of showing a little age, but I think this carpet's original. Sill plates look original. Oh, our speaker covers are bouncing off back there. Seats look really good. Just ran great. Nothing crazy, you know, it's not crazy fast or anything like that. Definitely runs out good. Like I say, you see the flapper hood works. Pin these. That's a good looking car. I think I checked that front grille. I'm not sure if that's a little dirt or something, but it looks like it's got a couple little cracks in that front grille. Tach works, like I say, clock works. All your gauges are working, holding good oil pressure in there. Everything opens and closes nice. They've been showing you the power windows work. Sound. Yeah, radio works, blower motor works, wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Good looking car, man. Good looking.